Hello, in this video I will introduce you to a simple drag and drop platform for quantum computing by IBM Quantum. So you can see here my arrow, and if you see here we have Q that is denotes qubit. Here we have C1 and that is denoting a classical bit. So we have up here we have all these different gates. So I can just simply drag them here, and you can see the changes that will be going on here in the graphs. And this is just a single qubit circuit at the moment. So what I can do is I can also add qubits here using this plus button sign that you can see. So if I just do that, then you can see I have one more qubit here, which is Q1. So now I can also use a multiple qubit gate, a 2 qubit gate. All right. And now you can see here on the right that if I just change this to Qiskit because it's much more popular, you can see the code is directly generated for creating this circuit. Alright, so that's the advantage of it. So if you are someone who is not having a background in programming, doesn't know programming but who wants to get into quantum computing, then I think this is a good start for you. And at the bottom you can see here these different probabilities that is shown for different states. So it automatically generates graph for you. It also shows this phase for you. These are just various visualizations, and if you just see here, you have this Quantum Composer user guide that talks everything about what is this IBM Quantum Composer, how to build circuits in it, and how to visualize it, and everything. And if you actually want to create your circuits here, and if you want to actually visualize and run it on hardware, then what you need to do is just create a simple account here with IBM, and then we'll be good to go. And if this sounds interesting, you can just head to the channel Blocksphere. The link will be in the description, where I have taught a lot of stuff related to all these different gates, and I have taught all of them using this little app that you can see here. So for example, if I just help you to visualize superposition, then let's just click H and visualize. So you can see it started from 0 cat and it's doing this transition, and this is transition over the Blocksphere. And again, this is a concept from quantum computing, and I've tried to explain all the gates using that or using such visualization. So I believe that it's easier to understand when you see it visually. So once the visualization is over, you can just clear it, and again you're good to go. So it's kind of a normal scientific calculator that you use, but just the difference is that it's a visualizer. And apart from that, I also have a playlist that actually helps you to build this app from scratch. So if you want, you can just check it out on the channel. And in the next few videos, we will be working with this IBM Quantum Composer, and we'll be building some circuits. And apart from that, if you see here, you can just rename your circuits as well. You can copy this code that's generated, and you can also download the circuit, the PNG, SVG, PDF, and all of stuff. But we will see as we will be moving into the further videos how to work with it, and we will make some simple circuits. And I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care.